Storms Reductions here for another Supercraft Bros Daily. And I'm going to be choosing the Ender Dragon because that's my favorite class. Maybe my second favorite, maybe my favorite. I don't care. I'm going to choose it anyways. Okay. Oh, I start out that. Okay. Butter apple shine, butter apple, butter, butter, butter apple. Don't. The fuck? Oh, I hate the magma cubes. My God! Fucking magma cubes. I hate when people do this. It's like scooping out the juices. Like my juice is getting scooped out. You bitch. I'm a hypocrite. Cause I do it anyways, because I wanna do it. Oh god, that would be so awesome if I got strength on this guy. Oh my god, fucking magma cubes. Then the fucking cactus comes out of nowhere. Oh. Eat that, you asshole. Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, this guy's running. He should be running. What the fuck? Fucking double team. Oh, so that's the guy who's fucking spawning all those shit balls. Magma Cube is fucking retarded. See, they're not even trying to fight. They send their little bitches out to get people. See, the Ender Dragon. Even people be noobs on this. I mean, I just want to have fucking fun, but they have to be fucking noobs. See, look at that! That's some bullshit right there. How did he die? I don't even fucking care, this asshole. Oh, I hate that map. Everybody camps. Tony. Relation. Ship to that. Dragon's percentage. No. Oh, little bitch. I want to play here. People join for Spelled it wrong. Uh-oh. We almost done. Oh god. I don't. I just screwed myself. The fuck? Don't. Boom, boom, ba ba ba. No! What the fuck? I was in midair. I was literally in midair, and how could he hit me? Oh yeah, take it. It's funny how I haven't been hit by the lich yet. The lich. Lich witch. Dun. How did he hit me again? What the fuck? Okay. What the fuck? Am I there? No, I'm not. Oh my god. I don't like how they can fucking spawn camp. And I hate the squid because they always blind us on you, and you can't fucking see. I hate the skeletons. They're so fucking fast. They just beat the shit out of you. It's like your mom. Sabaduba. Boop boop. The fuck? I think that guy hurts. No, don't come after me. Come after the noobs. Okay, that guy's hacking. Definitely. Because you think he can defeat me? Wow. Well, there's no really use to running because like it's kind of easy to chase. I'm just pwning, but see, it's like this may be my favorite class. Maybe my second, maybe my first. Come on, let's do this. The fuck? What the fuck? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, hammer. What the fuck? How's it in there? Got some hacks right there. Okay, I'll see you guys all later. I mean, what the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna end the recording here because I'm probably gonna get into a fight.